In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Google Keep, a fantastically simple yet powerful note-taking app by Google, designed to help you capture your thoughts and organize them effortlessly. Whether you're new to Google Keep or just looking to optimize your note-taking process, this guide will walk you through the basic steps to get started. First things first, let's dive into one of the easiest steps, opening Google Keep. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps menu, which you can identify by the small grid of dots usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu with various Google Apps will appear. Scroll through until you find Google Keep and go ahead and give it a click. This will lead you directly to the Google Keep dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that we're in Google Keep, you'll want to get started by creating your first note. Look for the Take a Note option, which is prominently displayed at the top center of the screen. Click this option and the note box will appear ready for your input. Here you can type out any thoughts, ideas, reminders, or plans that you need to jot down. The beauty of Google Keep is how easy and flexible it is, allowing you to capture whatever you need in the moment without any hassle. If you want to make your notes a bit more visually appealing or organized, you can add a header image to your notes. To do this, click on Add Image. This option will allow you to browse your computer or device for a suitable header. Once you've found the image you want to use, select it to insert it directly into your note. This can be particularly useful for distinguishing between different themes or categories within your notes. Furthermore, if you're someone who loves checklists, Google Keep makes it simple to incorporate them into your notes. Click on the three-dot menu situated on the bottom right of your note box. This will reveal additional options. From these, choose Show Checkboxes. This handy feature will automatically convert your note into a checklist format, enabling you to check off items as you complete them. Lists are wonderful for keeping track of tasks and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And there you have it. That's a basic guide to getting started with Google Keep. As you continue to play around with the features, you'll discover how intuitive and beneficial this tool can be for staying organized. Google Keep is not just a note-taking app, it's a space to creatively manage your thoughts and tasks with ease. So go ahead, experiment with this tool and make it your own.